Unlocking the Secrets of Green Thumbs, your guide to a gardening seminar. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the exciting and verdant world of gardening. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or someone just starting to explore the realm of greenery, this video is for you. We're going to unravel the mysteries behind the phrase, gardening seminar, and discover what makes these events so special and enlightening. At first glance, gardening seminar might seem like just two simple words, but together, they represent a world of learning and community. A seminar typically refers to a gathering or a meeting where people engage in discussions and learn about a specific topic from an expert. When we add gardening into the mix, this seminar transforms into an event where plant lovers, gardening gurus, and even beginners come together to learn and share their knowledge about gardening. Now, let's talk about what one can expect from a gardening seminar. These events are rich and diverse, often featuring a range of activities such as expert talks. Professionals share their insights on various gardening techniques, plant care, landscape design, and more. Workshops. Attendees get their hands dirty, figuratively and literally. These interactive sessions might involve potting plants, learning about soil composition, or understanding pest control. Networking. Gardening seminars are fantastic places to meet like-minded individuals, exchange ideas, and even form new friendships. You might wonder, why should I attend a gardening seminar? Well, these gatherings are more than just about learning how to water plants. They are inspirational. Seeing what others have achieved and learning about new gardening trends can spark creativity. Educational. There's always something new to learn, whether you're a novice or an expert. Community-driven. Gardening seminars often foster a sense of community, offering a space where people can support and learn from each other. In the world of plants, every bit of knowledge and every connection counts. A gardening seminar can be a doorway to a greener, more vibrant life. We hope this video sheds light on the joys and benefits of attending such an event. So, keep nurturing your love for gardening, and maybe we'll see you at the next seminar. Happy gardening, and remember, every plant journey, big or small, starts with a single seed of curiosity.